Well, hello everybody. Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Hey, got another 2-Tip Tuesday for you coming up, and then also just want to remind you real quick about our next training, December 7th. That's our monthly hands-on training right here in Houston, Texas. And that'll be the last one for this year, and then we start 2025, our 14th year we figured up it is, of training. So we've got that. Also, don't forget the online video school. If you can't make it out here to Houston, then that will definitely help you cut your learning curve if you're just starting out in the business and want to get some training right from the comfort of your home. And then Difference Makers Conference is coming up February 6th and 7th. It's all about the business end of your business, nothing about cleaning, so make sure you get signed up for that. There's an early registration discount, so you want to take advantage of that. So for all of that, just go to PressureWashingSchool.com and you can get all the information on that. If you need any information about any of the products that we have coming up in the video that I'm using, then just email me at info@DougRuckerStore.com or just go to their website, DougRuckerStore.com, and you can click on the contact page. And of course, everything that we have in this video is available on the website, so you can certainly search for it there as well. So let's get to the video next.
Good guys, so the first tip I want to talk to you about is cleaning around doorways. And this is whether it's residential properties or commercial properties, but this happens to be on a commercial property. So I've got a video coming up from actually on the job talking about how I clean around doorways. But first I want to talk about protecting the doorway. And so we use this blue duct tape. I'll have an Amazon link down below that you can get that if you'd like to. And so we tape off the bottom threshold area and also go up between the door, the two doors, because a lot of times on commercial properties, there's a nice little gap between these, even though there's weather stripping, and so water can get in between there. So we'll go up, a couple of feet just to protect that area as well. Sometimes we'll actually use paint shields and just tape them to the door. But if they're not long enough, then we just use this blue tape, and this blue tape holds really well. As long as the surface is not wet before you put it on, it'll work great. It seems to hold up really well if water gets on it, even though it's taped. So we use that and tape off the bottom going up the door a little bit. We also use it to protect any type of electronic keypads or anything like that happen to be near the doors or where we're going to be cleaning that could get water on them. And we just be real safe, or whether we think water could get on it or not, we're still going to protect any type of electronic keypads or electric door openers or doorbells, ring doorbells, any of that kind of stuff. We just still tape them up. So let's get into the video showing you how I actually clean around these doors.
All right, so what I do is I come to the corner here. I work from the corners, and so I'll clean all of this. This is using my adjustable wand. I thought about doing this video after I had cleaned this. It'd have been really cool if I bought my tripod up and did it, but I didn't think about it until I was halfway done with it. But anyway, I'll start at this corner and I'll clean away from the door like this, and then I'll get all my water pushed out. There's a drain right there, and I'll push it all towards that drain. Then I'll come over to this corner and I'll do the same thing. I'll clean this way. And every time I come up towards the windows, I'm keeping my wand angled that way. I will also take and turn, because I've got a gun swivel here, I'll turn this so this bottom barrel, the water is coming out of the top and it's not hitting up against the seal or the window or whatever. But I just kind of clean this way. Once I've done the sides, then I'll come in and I'll have my wand going with water coming out, and I'll come down and I'll do a real quick stripe, maybe two, right across in front, and then I come in and I keep this angled out and clean this way, okay? So if you do that, you'll help minimize getting water. What you don't want to do is start cleaning like this, going towards the door. You want to be cleaning going away from the door. Again, the tape will help minimize the water. It may not prevent it totally, but you definitely don't want to leave it with nothing there to protect it. You want to have something there, especially when doors have a gap like this, because water can go right in between that gap. So hope that helps you guys. Just a little tip, cleaning around these doorways to help minimize water. Everything's dry, so we're putting the rug back, and we'll take our tape off, and we are done.
All right, guys, my second tip is if you have not added window cleaning to your services, you need to definitely do that. Go to Home Depot or Lowe's, get you one of those little mop applicators and a squeegee, and just start practicing. That's what we're doing here, is we're just practicing. The window cleaning of these windows on this job was not part of the job. We just did it because we're getting practice. I think it's very important to make sure that you're not leaving splatters on windows and things of that nature. And sometimes rinsing with just a ball valve doesn't cut it. So big tip, start teaching yourself how to use a squeegee. That's what we're doing. I know you professionals out there will have a lot of advice for me, but again, we're just practicing. We're just working on it. It's a lot of fun. So, you know, anytime you can teach yourself something new to do, it's just always fun. And so I've been really enjoying teaching ourselves. We've only been doing this for probably a month or so, Armando and I both. So yeah, do that. Add that to your services. Teach yourself how to do it. It just takes a lot of practice. There is an art to it, and there's some guys on YouTube that you can follow that will definitely help you. So yeah, add window cleaning.
Okay, guys, hope this has been helpful for you. Just as a reminder, we are here for pressure washing contractors, those that are in the business. We're not necessarily here for the homeowners. If you're a homeowner and you're wanting to buy something off of our website, you're doing that at your own risk. My passion is helping guys that are in the business, especially those that are just starting out, helping them succeed. We coach them, we mentor them, especially the ones that have been through our training. So please just keep that in mind. And yeah, I hope this has been helpful for everybody. Don't forget our upcoming trainings. I talked about that earlier. And the big thing is the Difference Makers Conference, which is coming up in February. You don't want to miss that if you're new to this business. It's just going to be a lot for you to help grow and build your business. So thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit that bell. Leave me a comment, like, all of that kind of stuff. I appreciate you guys' support and watching the channel. If there's anything we can help you with as you're building and growing your business, then please just let us know. Y'all have a very, very blessed day.